Python installation. In order to get Python, you go to python.org and you just press download. If you have a Windows, use Windows. You can use for your Macs or other platforms. Since I have a Windows, I'm just gonna go for Python 3.11.0. So here is the executable file. Modify, repair. I already have it installed here. Are you sure you want it? Yes. Okay, so we can go to any terminal. You can open your CMD command prompt. I'm gonna open a terminal and I'm gonna type in Python space _version. Okay, so I have the Python 3.11.0. In the previous video I showed you how to install Get. Also, if you wanna see what version of Get do you have, you type in Get space _version. So we have the 2.38.1. Okay, now we open Visual Studio Code, and here we go to extensions, and okay, let me see. Okay, this is the one. It has to be Python Microsoft 70 million. Okay, and you just install it. This extension of Python is gonna come in pretty handy, and yeah, it's already installed. From this incorporated terminal, you can also type in Python space _version, and see we have the Python 3.11.0. the same thing with the Get client, Get space _version.